Hello everyone, myself Prisma. Today in this video I am here to talk about a very topic, which is the use of English speaking. What is the secret trick to learn English speaking by living at your home? Most of the students think that by going to the English institute, over there I can learn English speaking, but it's not like that. If you want to learn English speaking, then you can learn English speaking by living at your house. Then how can you learn English speaking by living at your own or it means how can you learn English speaking by living at your own house? Now in this video I am going to tell about that matter. Okay, then what is the secret to learn English speaking by living at your house? Now I am going to share with you. Okay, you have to divide your own work in different kinds. My saying sense is like that. Whatever you are going to do in your whole days, you have to just try to translate that words, that sentences into English. You have to just try to speak that sentences into English. By speaking in English, if you will try to translate these sentences, then it will be very beautiful thing. It will be very useful thing for you to learn speaking English. It will help you to learn English speaking. Okay, that's why you just think that whatever you are doing in your at your house, you have to just try to translate that sentences, that words into English. And apart from this, what you have to do now, I am telling you in a second point. The second point is over here. If you want to learn English speaking, then you have to think. You have to search that the person who is nearby you, that person is going to speak in English or not. Suppose if there is your any friend who know that how to speak in English, you have to just try to talk to them in English. You have to just try to talk to them. If you are going to try to talk with your friend in English, then it will be benefit. It will be beneficial thing for you to learn English speaking. It will help you to learn English speaking. Suppose if you don't have a friend, then what you have to do? Suppose if you don't have any kind of friend who now to learn English speaking, then how will you try to talk? With whom will you talk at your house to learn English speaking? Now I am going to tell you in a third point. Okay, the third point is over here that you have to just try to stand in front of the mirror. Okay, you have to just try to stand. You have to just stand in front of the mirror, and you have to just try. You have to just ask the question to yourself, and you have to reply the answer yourself. If you are going to do this, if you are doing like this, then definitely you can achieve your English speaking. You can learn English speaking by your own face to face. It means if you are going to stand in front of the mirror, then you will see to yourself in front of the mirror. Then you have to just ask some questions to yourself, and you have to just try to answer about these. Okay, then how will you speak in front of the mirror? Suppose that I am standing in front of a mirror. Then how will I? Suppose you can say I have weared a t-shirt. This color is like a blue, and today I did not use my Google to make the blue and everything. Whatever comes in your mind, you have to just try to translate the sentences into English. You have to just try. If you are going to try, then definitely is that you can speak in English. Okay, if you are going to now I am going to tell you about the fourth point, which is that if you have any work, if you are doing any kinds of work at your house, then those sentences you have to just try to translate. Suppose if you are going to make a tea for you, then you can say like I am going to make a tea for me, and right now I took a saucepan and any kind of pot to make a tea. In it I will pour the milk. Pour means होता है milk डालना, ठीक है? Okay, I am going to pour the milk in the pot. I will add sugar and every necessary thing which is the useful to make a tea in it means which is very useful. It is used to make a tea. These kind of thing I will apply. I will use these kinds of things in the tea. Okay, try this way. By trying to speak in English. Just try. Okay, if you will try, then definitely you can speak in English. It will be very beneficial thing for you. Okay, you will have to practice. Without practicing, you cannot achieve your goal. Whatever you want, you have to just try. If you want to learn English speaking, then for that you will have to speak in English. Suppose if you want to learn how to ride the bike, for that you will have to ride a bike. If you want to learn swimming, for that you will have to go into the water. You have to just try to swim. If you will try more and more, then definitely one day it will come that you can swim. My section is like this. If you want to learn English speaking, then you have to just try to speak in English, right and wrong. If you will do this, then it will come one day when you will be able to speak in English. Okay. Okay then, thanks for watching this video.